So we've had a big winter storm roll in here in the Pacific Northwest, and so I figured it was a good time to go out, try to make some more minimalist type photos, and go camping. Why not? Seems like great camping weather. So right now I'm out in this fallow wheat field that has been drifting over with snow. It's creating these really cool textures and patterns in the blown snow, and I'm using those as a foreground element for this fir tree in the background. The road getting up here was pretty brutal. I had to plow through several big snow drifts, and I'm hopeful that we're going to be able to make it to this campsite that I know of a little further up the road. I wanted to stop and photograph this now because the sun has poked out and it's defining all of these really cool shapes. It looks like the sun is going to go behind this big snow cloud that's rolling in. So I wanted to photograph this even though it's a long time before sunset, while we still had some direct light on this snow. So the light got really flat as soon as those clouds rolled in. It snuffed out the sunlight, and so we weren't getting the same definition on the snow. So I decided to kind of call it quits. We'll see what we get in the morning. And I needed to come and get camp set up. And most importantly, get that fire going, because right now it's 10 degrees Fahrenheit. It's really cold, so I'm looking forward to just kind of chilling out by the fire, drinking a beer, making some dinner, mostly warming up. So we're gonna see what this tonight brings. Hopefully it doesn't bring too much snow, or else we might have some trouble getting home tomorrow. So we'll see how it goes. So last night ended up being one of the coldest nights of my life. It got down to probably 8 or 9 degrees Fahrenheit. Not a big deal, because I was counting on my Chinese diesel heater to heat my tent. And I also have an electric blanket, so I expect it to be totally fine. Problem is, my battery Jackery unit, it quit working on me, so I had no electricity to power the things that I'd been counting on to keep me warm. So it was just me and my old sleeping bag. It got pretty chilly. This morning we woke up to partly cloudy skies, which the forecast was saying was going to happen. That's part of why I went on this little camping excursion. And the light has poked through, and it's just catching some color on the underneath of these medium clouds. So for this shot, we're using the same ripples that were happening in the snow that we used yesterday, only now they're reflecting that beautiful sky. So I'm just finding a composition where the tree is very prominent, utilizing the most colorful parts of the sky, and then having those nice sweeping waves in the snow, the waves of color in the snow leading back to the tree. ISO 100, f14, 3-shot bracket looks like this.